So, ayan guys. I'm here now in Mall of the Emirates. I transferred the mall already. This is what I like. Walking around the mall. Andito ako sa mga bread. Naghahanap ng free taste. Naghahanap ako ng ano. I'm looking for a free taste bread. I don't have lot to buy, guys. Just free taste is fine. Ayan. Happy birthday. Sorry. Happy birthday ako doon eh. No? Wow, this is huge. Anong tawag dito? Country bread, olive. Country bread. This one, downtown bread. This one, province bread. Dami nilang alam. Oh, hindi ako nagki-crave ng bread dahil marami kaming bread sa bahay na hindi nauubos. Tinatapon lang pag expire na. Oh my God. I just wanted to see the breads and looking for the pre-taste. No need to buy, diba? Life hacks. I need to buy the selfie sticks so that I can focus onto my face and do to your next time. The cakes. So I'm inside the mall of the Emirates. These are the breads as well. Paratha, Arabic bread. I love it. The sliced bread. All the bread. And then pupunta ako sa food court para magtambay. Natatamad na ako pumunta ng Dubai Mall kasi ang layo-layo ng lalakarin papasok. Tapos ang layo-layo ng lalakarin palabas. Kaya let's change na lang. So where's the food court? Bye. Na 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 na.